Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find items in your browsing history, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open your app, and when you are on the home page, then you have to click on the U option on the bottom of the screen, the third icon in the middle, and now you should see the browsing history option. Click on it, and now you can see your searches based on your browsing history, like separately for dates like today, May 27, and so on. So this option is really great because if you forgot to save an item or add to your wish list, here you can check it and you can order it. So I think that it's really great, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.